We ready? 5 seconds to go. Start. Which is reproduced as under. Stop. After having given careful thought to the future of marriage with the petitioner, the respondent in September 2002 wrote to the Immigration Office at Canada, withdrawing himself as a sponsor and indicating to the immigrating authorities that he did not want to facilitate an immigration visa for the petitioner stop. The plea of the respondent that the petitioner wife is highly educated and intentionally she does not want to work is without proof and substance to the respondent who is claiming himself to be unemployed and refusing to maintain the wife in one breath has got no right on another breath to say that she is highly qualified and she is intentionally not getting employed. Stop. The judgment relied upon by the counsel for the respondent, that is Rupali Gupta versus Rajat Gupta, 234 2016 DLT 693, does not actually applies to the present petition, as the present petition is filed under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code 1973 and under section 24 Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Stop. The respondent during the cross examination has admitted that he too is become MA Economics and MBA from Turkey University, USA. Stop. The respondent is a Canadian citizen working with Sprint Canada and is earning Canadian dollar 29,306.59 as net annual salary. Stop. However, he has claimed that he has resigned from Sprint Canada on 23rd November 2010 and the same has been accepted on 27th November 2010, and the respondent since then is unemployed and has got no source of income to maintain himself and his family. Stop. In the instant case, the petitioner has filed the case under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code 1973 for grant of maintenance, as she does not know any skill and specialized work to earn her livelihood, that is in paragraph 26 of maintenance petition against her husband. Stop. However, the respondent husband, who is well educated and comes from extremely respectable family, simply denies the same. Stop. The respondent husband in his written statement does not pleads that he is not an able-bodied person nor he is able to prove sufficient earning or income of the petitioner. Stop. It is an admitted fact emerging on record that both the parties got married as per Hindu rites and customs on 24th April 2002, and since then the petitioner was living with her parents from 10th August 2002 onwards, and the parents are under